Email marketing campaigns can assist your small business develop awareness, loyalty, desire and trust with its consumers. This form of marketing can be used to retain as well as engage existing consumers. Also, it can as well assist you in establishing new clients. Here are a few of the many ways in which a well-established email marketing campaign can benefit small businesses. Cost effectiveness. Email marketing campaigns are usually very cost-effective. Basically, directing marketing strategies will require you to have a decent amount of cash in order to use them effectively. This is because you will be generating real content like printed newsletters or advertisements. Directing marketing strategies will also make you end up spending more cash in sending the real content out to the consumers through postal email. On the other hand, email marketing uses electronic content that is often much cheaper to produce, and sends it out to the consumers electronically. Note that sending content via electronic means is often much cheaper than sending it out in the real world. It's a targeting marketing strategy. With email marketing, you can be in a position to target specific customers directly. This means that you can be in a position to focus on containing individuals who are likely to react to your messages, while at the same time avoiding wasting your time and money in trying to reach those individuals who are not likely to respond. Tracking data. With email marketing, you can be in a position to track data that can uplift your business performance. Since email marketing campaigns are done electronically, it can make it easy for you to track important data that can help you in the operation of your business. For instance, this form of marketing can enable you to track how many viewers opened your email, how many of them chose to subscribe to your emails, who forwarded your adverts to another person as well as who listed your emails as spam. Generally, this data tracking system can make it a lot easier for you and your marketing team to figure out which of your email marketing techniques are producing reliable results and the ones that are wasting your time and effort. Once you know this information, you can decide to alter your marketing techniques so that they can become more effective. Don't you think that that is indeed great? It can be automated. Once you've got an idea of the types of content you intend to send out to your consumers through email marketing technique, it's very easy for you to automate the process. Typically, this means that you can be able to schedule newsletters and emails on a weekly or monthly basis in advance. This can simplify the work for you when it comes to creating the desired content. Also, with this form of marketing strategy, you can be in a position to set up automated delivery hassle-free, and in the long run it can save you time and money. They're super fast. One of the best characteristics of email marketing campaign is that it usually works really fast. A person does not require waiting weeks or months in order to see the results of his or her email marketing campaign results. Your business emails once sent will instantly reach your consumers and will offer up-to-date content and information. In brief, email marketing techniques can assist small businesses keep up to date with their consumers and thus be able to operate in real time. Boosting revenue. This form of marketing can help your business in increasing its sales and generating more revenue. Email marketing can assist your business in generating sales via other channels. Therefore, take your time as a small-scale business owner to create the right types of email marketing tactics, avoid dreaded spam level, and your business will see an increase in its revenue within the shortest time possible.